Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Fingerprints on phone screens look messy and reduce touch accuracy for many users. Start by holding the device by its edges or use a one-handed grip technique. A case with a raised lip of about 1.5 millimeters protects the screen from accidental touch. Use a fine-tip capacitive stylus for precise input and to avoid oil transfer. Train yourself to tap with the pad of the index finger rather than the fingertip. These simple habits cut smudges and extend the life of oliphobic coatings on screens. Regular cleaning removes oils and restores screen clarity for accurate touch response. Use a lint-free microfiber cloth about 6 inches square for dry wiping and gentle buffing. For deeper cleaning, lightly dampen the cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol solution. Do not spray liquids directly onto the screen or use household cleaners with ammonia. Apply a tempered glass screen protector with an oliphobic coating for long-lasting fingerprint resistance. Replace the protector if scratches exceed. Establish a quick routine. Wipe the screen daily with a microfiber cloth after heavy use. Carry pre-moistened screen wipes with 70% isopropyl for travel and quick sanitation. Apply an oliphobic recoating kit every 6 months to restore fingerprint resistance and clarity. Use thin touchscreen gloves when handling phones in cold weather to prevent oil transfer. Avoid greasy activities before using the phone, like cooking with oils or applying lotions. Combine habits, protectors, and cleaning for the best reduction in fingerprints and smudges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.